What's up guys, Mike Vo here, your modern Asian dad. Today we're going to review these real carbon fiber mirror caps I bought from AliExpress. These cost only about $100. They usually cost over $150 at Tesla aftermarket stores. Please use my Rakuten referral code so you can get back $30 on your first purchase. The mirror caps come with 3M double-sided tape, which is very nice. You also need rubbing alcohol, water, and a spray bottle. Make a 50-50 mix of water and alcohol together into your spray bottle. Peel the double-sided tape and place it evenly spaced out on the mirror caps. Make sure you have as much coverage as possible. Make sure you put a lot of pressure on the tape so it can stick to the mirror caps. Here's one side of the mirror with some double-sided tape placed under. As you can see, I try to cover as much as possible while saving enough double-sided tape for the other mirror cap. Use a spray bottle with the water and alcohol mixed to clean your mirror. Make sure you spray it down and wipe it with a microfiber cloth. You want it to be free of any dirt or debris before you place on these caps. It might be a little bit hard to peel off the double-sided tape, but please make sure that you don't get any dirt or anything on there because it might affect the stickiness on your mirror. Spray your mirror again, but do not wipe it down this time. You want it to be very drenched with water and alcohol. This will allow your mirror cap to slide on easily. Once it dries, the tape will stick to your mirror and it won't come off. Now you just simply slide it over your regular mirror and make sure you put pressure on all areas of the cap. I was actually very surprised by the quality of the materials of these carbon fiber caps. I went with the gloss mirror caps, as you can see. I also like the matte mirror caps also, but I'm going to get those on my next car, which is the Tesla Model 3. As you can see, these mirror caps fit perfectly on the Model Y. It doesn't affect the opening or closing of your mirrors at all. I put painter's tape on the mirror to put pressure on it. I left it there overnight while the water and alcohol dried inside. Here's the driver's side, and you just do the same exact thing as you did the other side. As I mentioned earlier, I am surprised by the quality of these mirror caps. It's extremely thin and very lightweight. I got it for a very good price compared to anywhere else. The only downside is that shipping from China will take about 30 days to arrive at your house. You save over $50 if you have the patience to wait though. I really believe these other Tesla aftermarket stores get it from the same source and resells these same exact items at a higher price, of course. I've taken some road trips and long distance drives and had no issues at all. There is no rattling and no noise at all. It will not fall off if you install them correctly. I love the way it changes the look of your Tesla, and I feel like it makes it more sporty and aggressive. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content on Tesla, travel, finance, and lifestyle.